multi-cloud is all about the power of and. In fact, we hear that clearly from our customers. Most of them today, by far, are multi-cloud already. 75% have 2 or more clouds, and almost half have 3 or more clouds. And when we talk to customers and ask them, what are your goals with multi-cloud? The biggest thing that came back was all about getting access to best-of-breed cloud services. When we think about cloud services, you think about things like databases, data warehouses, messaging, streaming, analytics. And every public cloud has at least one of those, if not many of those. And so what customers do is that they compare and contrast. They look across to see which of those cloud services best meets their application needs. So how can you get all the benefits of these best-of-breed cloud services without the complexity? Well, it's all about having the right architecture. It's about standardizing in certain places so you can have choice and flexibility in other places. In particular, standardizing at the DevSecOps level and at the infrastructure level is crucial here to this architecture. VMware Tanzu, laser-focused on the DevSecOps space. And VMware Cloud, by contrast, is really focused on the infrastructure space, delivering a set of consistent cloud infrastructure services available across all clouds. So first question, what is VMware Cloud? You hear us talk about it, but what really is it at its heart? Well, at its heart, it's fundamentally 2 different components. The first of which is this infrastructure building block that we call VMware Cloud Foundation. The beauty of VMware Cloud Foundation is that you can place it anywhere you want, in a public cloud, at a colo, in your data center, at the edge. It's very flexible, and yet also powerful and consistent. It gives you that consistent infrastructure layer. Second is our multi-cloud management layer with vRealize. The goal here is to pull together all these different infrastructure pieces, infrastructure building blocks, and give you a single view into them all, a single way of managing them, of governing them, of securing them. So what are the benefits of VMware Cloud? First of all, it's the fastest path to cloud. This consistent infrastructure from on-prem to the cloud, leveraging tools like HCX, unprecedented levels of speed. We're also focused on application modernization, getting you those best-of-breed cloud services that your app teams are looking for in the easiest and yet most secure way possible. Speaking of security, really focus on that across clouds, governance, operations, standardizing these things because that is so important to your business. And finally, it's got great economic value, dramatically reducing total cost of ownership, much lower than you see other places, and great ROI as well.